Hello online shoppers. In today's video, we are revealing Travel Expo recommended 20 of the coolest and highly rated Amazon travel products, gadgets, and inventions set to transform your travel game. From smart packing hacks to innovative tech, these essentials are here to make your next adventure smoother and more stylish. Click on the affiliate links in the description to go straight to the product. So let's get started. Number 1. Atto Folding Travel Powered Mobility Scooter. The Atto folding scooter is perfect for travel. It transforms into a compact piece of luggage, ideal for busy airports or day trips. In just 10 seconds, it goes from compact to full size, even splitting in two for easy transport. Whether you're traveling by air or on public transit, the Atto has got you covered. Number 2. Younglingz Lil Flyer Suitcase. The ultimate suitcase for family trips. The Younglingz Lil Flyer doubles as a child stroller, designed with 360-degree spinner wheels and a spacious 47-litre capacity to keep all your child's essentials within reach. Number 3. Airwheel Smart Rideable Suitcase. Get ready for effortless travel with the Airwheel Rideable Suitcase. With dual USB ports for charging devices on the go, TSA-approved locks, and high-quality tires, it's perfect for navigating busy airports and rugged terrain alike. Number 4. Travelon Anti-Theft Classic Messenger Bag. For travelers seeking security, the Travelon Anti-Theft Messenger Bag comes with a 5-point security system and plenty of compartments for organized packing. Number 5. Veken 8 Set Packing Cubes. Organize like a pro with Veken packing cubes. Say goodbye to digging around in your suitcase and hello to efficient packing. Number 6. Etekcity Luggage Scale. Avoid costly overweight charges with the Etekcity Luggage Scale. Compact, portable, and accurate up to 110 pounds, an essential for every traveler. Number 7. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable Luggage. For a lightweight yet durable option, Samsonite's Freeform suitcase offers smart organization and increased packing capacity, making travel easier than ever. Number 8. 12 South AirFly SE Bluetooth Wireless Audio Transmitter Receiver. Wireless freedom is here. Connect your AirPods or earbuds to any in-flight entertainment system with the AirFly for a cord-free audio experience. It even works while charging for uninterrupted listening. Number 9. INIU Portable Charger. Stay charged on the go with the INIU Portable Charger. Slim, powerful, and perfect for travelers with high-capacity needs. Number 10. Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder. Kick back and enjoy hands-free movie watching on flights with this versatile phone holder, which easily mounts to any seat back. Number 11. Tailbone Pain Relief Cushion. Sit in comfort for long flights with this ergonomic memory foam cushion, designed to reduce tailbone pain and improve posture. Number 12. Vasco M3 Language Translator Device. Say goodbye to language barriers with the Vasco M3, a high-speed voice translator working in nearly 200 countries, no Wi-Fi needed. Number 13. Airplane Foot Hammock. Relax in flight with this foot hammock, adjustable for all heights and usable on planes, trains, and even cars. Number 14. Premium Airplane Bluetooth 5.3 Adapter. Experience wireless in-flight audio with this Bluetooth adapter that lets you connect up to 2 devices. With a 20-hour battery life, it's built for long trips. Number 15. Gosky Titan 12x50 Monocular Telescope with Smartphone Holder. Perfect for outdoor adventures, the Gosky Titan Monocular offers powerful magnification and a wide viewing range, great for nature and stargazing. Number 16. BCOZZY Neck Pillow for Travel. For maximum comfort, the BCOZZY neck pillow provides double support with its unique flat-back design, ensuring a pain-free journey. Number 17. SIMO Solis 5G Wi-Fi Mobile Hotspot. Stay connected in over 135 countries with the Solis 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. No SIM cards or contracts are required, just pure, high-speed internet. Number 18. DJI Neo Mini Drone with 4K UHD Camera. Capture your adventures with the lightweight DJI Neo Drone, perfect for on-the-go photography, with 4K quality and versatile control options. Number 19. BleuWhisk Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed. Comfort for little travelers. This inflatable toddler bed offers a cozy space on flights, ensuring a restful trip for kids and peace of mind for parents. Number 20. Inflatable Travel Footrest Pillow. Finally, the inflatable footrest provides added support and space for kids and adults alike, ensuring comfort on long journeys. So, are you ready to elevate your travel experience? These Amazon finds are just a click away, and they are here to make every adventure unforgettable. Happy travels!